Hi, I received a request for this that it take this value and has to convert it to a row for every item here. It has to convert into a row. So like I can see that this neck tag, it's a material, the color, so it has to convert into a row. Now, what more challenging is that the material sometimes may be two row. So it could be like this instead of one, and maybe this one, but we need to insert one more row. So how do you convert this into this easily? Imagine it's like multiple items. So we can use the macro to do just that. So what I do is I create this code and then I just run the button and it's done. Everything is there. Okay. So thanks for watching. Just to let you know that it is possible to do with macro.